and welcome back to my channel. So we are in the KR market area and we've explored few streets already, and now we are heading towards SP Road, which is famous for its electronical things. It's supposed to be like a really big, I think we've done it before last year, but I'm not sure, I can't remember. But yes, we're gonna go SP Road to that. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna go do SP Road. Enjoy the video. SP Road straight? Ekdam straight. Okay. So not a lot of people, actually very few people, very few locals would speak Hindi over here, right? And then there are fewer that would speak English. Not fewer, like a lot of people do speak English, but if you're talking to vendors or rickshaw guys, then there's a possibility that you don't understand the language. But then you just like, there are few English words and few gestures that you, from which you guess that okay, this is what is what we're trying to communicate about. So yeah, we are heading towards SP Road. Oh, it's already SP Road. Probably the markets and all start soon. Maybe the markets are closed because it looks closed. Sunday. SP Road market closed Sunday? बंद खुलेगा? Okay. So we'll be done with SP Road and then we're gonna head towards Shivaji Nagar after that. So basically, like if you are following the series, I mentioned that I'm doing all the walks in one day. So hence you will see me only in this t-shirt in the entire Bangalore tour, because we're doing all of it today. And yeah, it's slightly quieter, so I'm like, okay, hi, what's up? And as I mentioned that my dog is really sick, so if you're watching this, do pray for my dog Pika, and hopefully he gets better soon. I'll show you the streets. Also the walks are shorter because I want us to cover all the main streets at least. I'm not sure why the shops are closed. Maybe Sunday is the day when they take a break. Usually Sunday markets are more full on than the weekdays. कुछ नहीं चाहिए, नहीं जी, कुछ नहीं चाहिए, मार्केट में घूमना है बस. Okay, so I think now the shops for SP Road has started. Oh, this is gonna be another video. We're doing rationing in Bangalore. Okay, so this is where this video ends. Do stay tuned for the actual SP Road walk, and thanks a lot for watching. Namaskaram. Do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.